Old Ireland by Walt Whitman. David Lawrence. Far hence, amid an isle of wondrous beauty, crouching over a grave an ancient, sorrowful mother, once a queen, now lean and tattered, seated on the ground, her old white hair drooping dishevelled round her shoulders, at her feet fallen an unused royal harp, long silent, she too long silent, mourning her shrouded hope and heir, of all the earth her heart most full of sorrow, because most full of love. Yet a word, ancient mother, you need crouch there no longer on the cold ground, with forehead between your knees. Oh, you need not sit there veiled in your old white hair so dishevelled. For know you, the one you mourn is not in that grave. It was an illusion. The son you love was not really dead. The Lord is not dead. He is risen again, young and strong in another country. Even while you wept there by your fallen harp, by the grave, what you wept for was translated, passed from the grave. The winds favored, and the sea sailed it, and now with rosy and new blood moves today in a new country. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.